Why do some homes sell in days while others sit on the market for months? I'm going to share with you the top 5 secrets from a recent national agent survey that helps homes sell fast. Let's count them down. Number 1, decluttering is king. 77% of the agents said the number one thing buyers should do before selling or listing is declutter and depersonalize. Buyers want to imagine their life in the home as theirs, not yours. That means less is more. And those family photos and knickknacks, pack them away, put them in the garage, send them on vacation. Number 2, turnkey trumps a good deal. 64% of the agents said buyers are willing to pay more for a move-in ready home. That means fixing what's broken, tightening up loose ends, and making sure the home feels cared for. I'll say that again. Make sure your home feels like it's been cared for. Buyers today want easy, not a weekend project. Number 3, odors are a deal breaker, and not just pet smells. Smoke, musty air, even overpowering air fresheners can stop a showing cold. Fresh air and clean surfaces go a long way. Candles can't cover up what buyers smell, and they make buyers suspicious of what you might be hiding. Number 4, overpricing kills momentum. Every agent in the poll agreed pricing too high out of the gate is the fastest way to lose buyer interest and end up with painful price cuts later. Price it right from day one, and you'll sell faster and for more. Number 5, lifestyle sales. Agents all agree that today's buyers aren't just buying square footage. They're buying a way of life. Open kitchens, outdoor living spaces, and home offices top the list. The more your home matches how people actually live today, the faster it will move. Here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, in all of our cities like Ocean Springs, Biloxi, Gulfport, Bay St. Louis, these insights hit home. Buyers here love bright, open spaces that reflect our coastal lifestyle. Fresh, clean, move-in ready homes fly off the market while others sit. If you're thinking about selling, let's talk strategy. I'll help you focus on what really matters to hit your home to sell fast and for top dollar. I'm Brian David with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, Expect Realty, and I really appreciate you watching. If you or anyone you know is in the market to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, let's connect. And before you go, please like and subscribe. Thanks.